guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Diana here, and today I'm inviting you to come experience a typical afternoon in the life of a mom of 4.
Right, you guys stand up.
I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I did editing it. The best part about being a YouTuber is getting to relive moments that I otherwise would have missed, and just thinking about what exactly were you thinking right there, what was going through your mind while you were doing all that, and just being able to see my flaws and enjoy some victories that I might not have gotten to experience at the time that they were happening, and share some memories with my kids. I think that's the best part for me. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. And if you're new here, welcome. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.
Caramel is my favorite dessert. Ice cream, yummy ice cream is my favorite dessert. I want cookies, ice cream. No, you should wait until. No, we can't have cookies with ice cream yet. We don't have cookies. Sorry. So we're gonna eat bear ice cream. No, I don't want bear ice cream. You can eat bear ice cream. Yeah. You can eat bear ice cream. Big. Ice cream that doesn't have any toppings on it, It has toppings that have sprinkling. We don't have sprinkles, so we're gonna put it without toppings. Toppings. Without toppings. You're gonna eat bear ice cream. Bear ice cream is ice cream without toppings. I'll take a video of you saying no, and then take it back to Mom, and then y'all gonna have bear ice cream without top, ice cream with bear ice cream is ice cream without toppings. We're gonna have ice cream without toppings, because we don't have toppings. We don't have sweet toppings. We don't have it. No, we can't get. No, I like the ice cream they give us in Häagen-Dazs, which doesn't have biscuits or anything. It doesn't have biscuits. Pistachio and white cream. Blueberry poo-poo and It's split. I like all fruit. And you eat lemon and strawberry ice cream. Which your ice cream will be so sour. And you eat lime and lots of lime ice cream. Lime with lots of lime cookies. Which will taste even more sour. More tasty.
Thank you.
Which will taste even more sour. You can make a bombi with these. Mom's gonna get an ice cream. It's a bombi birthday. Mona! It's not a bombi. It's an ice cream cone. The ice cream cones. Not bombi. I better protect the ice cream. I'm protecting the ice cream. The clothes are too heavy. I can't carry it. Mommy.
What did you say? What did you say about the bag?
Mom, I love it too heavy. I think heavy.
Alright, I'll get it.
Anything out of the ice cream.
Hey.
Then go exercise.
Cool down love, cool down simmer, cool now please, cool down simmer, cool down love, cool down simmer, cool now please, cool now simmer, cool down love. Cool down, cool down, cool down simmer, cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down simmer, cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down simmer, cool down, cool down, cool down.
Baby, make me tell you this. I won't waste no time, I'll be proceeding quick. The way you're moving really got me feeling sick. Like say you forgot to know you're dealing with. Man, I feel quick when I'm at work non-stop. You know good for dinner when I come back. Sometimes good yeah, come out from that. If you walk and leave, yeah, me not come back.
You're falling, but you don't wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall far. 'Cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Cool down simmer, cool now please, cool down simmer, cool down love, cool down simmer, cool now please, cool down simmer, simmer. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love. Cool down, 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 cool down.
Only took ice cream when you only took the ice cream cone to the dining table. And that's what happened.
Jump up down.
what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up my thoughts.
Here you go.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient.
Having a good time. Do you like it?
Also kind of malicious.
And what do you guys have to say to mommy?
Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome. Back to the hustle.
You'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Give me the little ones.
Pillow fight. Mom, my pillow fight.
You want to pillow fight me?
Mom, yes. We can have pillow fight. Yes, we can. Pillow fight.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Turn it into a bed.